The Golden Triangle Bid and DDOT are working together to increase the number of bike racks in the Central Business District. And today we're in Farragut Square, where the Golden Triangle ambassadors are installing the final 5 of 100 bike racks that have been added to the Central Business District during the last month or so. What we do throughout the year is look where there is need. At this point, there are approximately 450 bike racks in the Central Business District, which is parking for 900 bikes. We put them in areas where we see high bike utilization. This is kind of in many ways the epitome of an urban transit center, and we felt that this is just the right place to add some bike racks. Friday we'll be all celebrating Bike to Work Day, and there will be bike racks now outside of the park for that celebration.